1, 2, 3.
To my dear biology teacher with co-graduate guest, Mrs. Evelyn Tagalog, Barangay Captain Pablito, Pangilinan, good morning.
Today.
Today is our last day in school. If we are happy at the last, we believe that our first
Step in learning.
step in learning our hard work, gratitude
In our.
in our teacher, Mrs. Elena El Santos, having the patience and love to us, caring when our parents was not with us. Thank you for the sharing the talent in teaching us in a good way. Thank you for the prayers teaching to come closer to God. And thank you for our God spending the hour to be with us this day. I thank you.
Very good!
Tingnan mo na, alam naman pala.
Oh, look!
Look